Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a couple of harvest DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So we're getting started with this wooden box and I'm going to go ahead and start painting that in black. I decided to color the pumpkin in this charcoal gray color, so that's what I'm doing here. All done with that gray color, which is absolutely beautiful. So now as I was moving over to the other pumpkin, I didn't realize I grabbed the one that already had the face on it, which worked out great because I don't have to draw the face. And I went ahead and colored the eyes and the nose and the mouth in the gray and then decided to color the rest of the pumpkin in white. Finishing touches on the pumpkin, and this is how that came out. So we're going to move that over to the side and go back to the box. We're going to place that floral foam inside of that little box, and then we're going to set that aside and move on to the gluing process of the two pumpkins. Now we're going to set that box over to the side and we're going to bring both the pumpkins together because I'm going to glue the one pumpkin on top of the other. So that's what we're doing here before we even start any embellishments. So now what I'm going to do is glue that box to the center of that bottom pumpkin. So here I decided to glue this maple leaf in the buffalo check in orange off to the side because I thought that pop of color would make it look so beautiful. After gluing the leaf down, then I decided I have these two bows right here. One of them will go to the top of the pumpkin and the other one will go on the floral box. Isn't that cute? So now here we're going to be adding some florals, and I'm also going to add one of those tiny velvety pumpkins inside of that box. I think that is going to make it look really cute. Added the embellishments, and this is what we have. So now it's time to move on to project number 2. But first, let's go over and reveal this. Now that we added the 2 rows of gems, I think this piece came out absolutely gorgeous. I also decided to bring the pumpkin back because I found a harvest sign and I thought that would give that an extra touch right there on the pumpkin. So we're going to go ahead and glue that down. Okay, these 2 decor pieces came out absolutely beautiful. Now let's head on over to the reveal. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an awesome day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.